way around it. Nah. Gonna wheelie this bitch. Alright, what is up, guys? Ryan from Force Show Gang here. Today, got the GoPro off Brendan for a little bit.
Alright, I got the GoPro back. I got the GoPro, guys.
Everybody's at work. Figured I'd take out the old XR100 for a little joyride. Maybe do some talking. Currently, everybody's bikes are being worked on, need parts, so. Planning on making a good riding season for next year. Look forward to that. If you haven't seen the XR100 already, bike used to be Zach's, got sold. We kept it in the Force Show Gang for a while. Zach just recently got it back. It's having some jetting issues, maybe some carb issues. It's kind of an older bike, so it has points as well, which are complicated to understand. But figured we'd do a quick little ride and see what she's got. Overgrown, pretty cold outside. No one wants to ride really. Plus recently we've been riding like all dirt bikes, so nobody to really run down the trails. Brendan has a big ass head. Fender hits sometimes, but Brendan has a big ass head. Looking forward to getting some GoPros and mounts. Yeah, I really can't lie. Out of all the bikes I've ridden, the XR100 is always one of them bikes that just, you always have fun on. Whether you're going fast, slow, anything. It's so small and compact, it's nice. Oh, fuck. It's fucking cold out. Hands are frozen. Hopefully we can solve the jetting issue with this thing. I really can't take it past like half throttle. It just fucking pops. Doesn't really do anything. Lose all power after that. There's a way around it. Nah. Gonna wheelie this bitch. This used to be an old trail. Maybe not. I lied. Here's the old trail. Shit's so overgrown, I can't even see. What the fuck? Well, ripped my fucking jeans already. Yeah, this probably wasn't a good idea to go this way. Oh well. Fucking daggers. guys. Well, until I get it next time, it's been 4 Show Gang, and peace. Alright guys, Ryan from 4Show Gang here. Just got done riding the 100. Figured while I'm here, I might as well do a little current update on some of the bikes that we have. Currently we're in my back house basement. This is my bike, WR250. Just put a new head on it. Checked this for play a while ago. Didn't really have much, but a little bit of side to side apparently. I've changed the oil 3 times within the 5 hours that I've ridden it. Yeah, I believe it blew up again. I mean, I don't really care. This bike has a fucking curse. Yeah, you can't really see, but it's like a fucking episode of Gold Rush in there. Some of the oil's not coming out under the crank. I don't know why. You guys haven't seen yet, but Zach's working on a KX125 build. We just painted the frame green. Gonna need some time. Got some new tires, which will be nice. Nice, knobby tires. Tore the 200 apart, and piston and cylinder and everything was fine, but I found out in the head right here there is a little bearing that is supposed to lock in place like this. Well, this little needle dug all that shit out on the cam, so jump timing, we'll have to replace that piece. I don't know, just figured I'd give a little update. Not sure what Brennan wants to do. The 100 is upstairs. We usually keep the bikes down here because it's heated and we've been tearing them apart, and I don't know, it's our own little spot until we get like a garage or something in the future. Alright, here's the 100 full FMF. Like I said, it's having some type of issues we're still trying to sort out. Missing a side piece apparently. Go in here, take a look at the 250X and the Suzuki Eiger. 250, put a new CDI box in, running like a champ. Hole in the tires. He needs to get new tires anyway, so we're not really stressing it too much. Eiger, looking to get new tires. Solenoid's bad, so replacing that. I mean, most of the stuff's rideable except for the shit that's down in the basement, but I don't know. Always working on shit. Maybe we'll make a video on how to work on certain things. I don't know, future things for Brendan. But like I said, future projects for next year. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.
Alright, until next time, when I get the GoPro, guys. Force G.
Peace.